How to find your blocked list on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your blocked list on Likee app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Likee on For You page. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there. How to find your blocking list on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your blocking list on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee, and once you are here you're gonna find those three lines up there, and now click on settings, which is the last option, and here click on privacy, and you have blocking list. Click on it, and here you have all the users you have ever blocked on Likee app on this account, on your account, from the newest to the oldest. Just click on those three lines and click on privacy blocked list, and you're gonna find it here. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.